do have such a loyal fan base, and one particular fan holds a special event for all of the family each month. Take a look at this.
First of the month, Big Danny, what have you got in store for us?
I know, I visited them. I visited them, yeah.
Did you? They know it.
1st of April. I need to do a weekly calendar, so they're opening it every week. It'll be 52.
You need to get yourself a yearly planner. You know those ones. Each week they get a new face of Daniel. Listen, you've some great merch going around as well. Very quickly, there's a jersey in the Middle East with your face on it.
I heard that.
Yeah.
Yes, imagine that.
Where?
Have you got it?
There it is. There.
Oh,
look.
there we are.
Look
Look
could
at
you imagine
that.
that coming to tackle you now?
Can you imagine that? That'd be the only way now I would ever be able to tackle anybody on the pitch. I wouldn't even get on the supporters bus when I was at school, never mind to get on the team bus. I was useless.
Well, that's the collab we all want.
So there we are now.